Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. So let's start with the reading. Okay, two cards came out at the same time. So let's see what are these two cards. Betrayal. Okay, not a good card today, but soul forgiveness is again a beautiful card today. So let's start with Aunt Nancy, the card of betrayal. Maybe today, whatever is you're thinking, you knew, you didn't know it, and because of which things are, not going the way you planned. But I feel you have not been ready to hear the truth or know the truth, knowing very well that there is a hidden truth which is trying to come in front of you, but your heart and your mind is not ready to accept. Today tell yourself, I am ready to hear whatever has to come, and I am ready to accept it, and I am ready to face it. Because when you do that, what will happen is you will end to forgive things. You will be healing not only yourself but also the situation which needs your healing, which needs your forgiveness. Because when you forgive things, you will forgive things in such a way that you love yourself and you love the other person also, and the other person will repent for what he did. So today, let go, be ready to face whatever truth comes in your life, and be ready to forgive it. Tell yourself, I forgive and free myself, and I forgive and free those who hurt me. Today I feel, have a beautiful bath with rose water in the morning, because I think you feel very dejected. Today the color is pink, so that whatever negative energies are there, that energies get converted into positive energies. And in the evening, go for a walk or spend some time shopping. Do things which you love doing, so that you will understand that whatever has happened, it's okay. I can handle myself, and I can pull myself up, and I can come back the way I was, stronger, even more stronger now, and even more as an amazing personality. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.